Hey there, LG G7 ThinQ users. Experiencing lag on your device can be frustrating. Not to worry, because today I'll be showing you how to fix lag on your LG G7 ThinQ and get it running smoothly again. In this guide, we'll go through several steps you can take to enhance your phone's performance and reduce lag. So if you're ready to rejuvenate your smartphone experience, let's dive in. Step 1. Clear your cache. A clogged cache can slow down your phone significantly. To clear it, head over to Settings, tap on Storage, and select Cached Data. Confirm the prompt to clear the cache, and this should help free up some memory, potentially reducing lag. Step 2. Uninstall unused apps. Unused or redundant apps can hog valuable resources. Browse your apps and uninstall those you no longer need. Go to Settings, select Apps and Notifications, then choose See All Apps. Find the apps you wish to uninstall, tap, and select Uninstall. Step 3. Disable background apps. Too many apps running in the background can drain your resources. To manage background apps, go to Settings, tap General, then Apps and Notifications, and finally App Info. Select an app you rarely use and tap Battery, where you'll find options to limit background activity. Step 4. Update software. Ensure your phone's operating system and apps are always up to date, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Check for system updates by going to Settings, tapping Systems, and then Update Center. For app updates, visit the Google Play Store and update your apps under My Apps and Games. Step 5. Reduce animations. Excessive animations can also slow down performance. To minimize this, activate developer options by visiting Settings, selecting System, and tapping About Phone. Tap Build Number 7 times until developer options are enabled. Go back to System Settings, tap Developer Options, and reduce animations by setting Window, Transition, and Animator Scale to 0.5x or turning them off completely. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Back up your important data first, as this step will erase all contents on your phone. To reset your device, navigate to Settings, select System, tap Restart and Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Confirm the action and your phone will be restored to its original settings, potentially eliminating persistent lag issues. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to fix lag on your LG G7 ThinQ, optimizing it for a smoother, more efficient performance. From clearing the cache and uninstalling unused apps to updating software and managing animations, every step contributes to a faster, lag-free experience. Prioritize the steps that seem most relevant to your situation and enjoy a rejuvenated device performance. Remember, maintaining regular phone hygiene by checking for app updates and cleaning storage can help prevent lag issues in the future. Enjoy the seamless, speedy performance of your LG G7 ThinQ.